control systems. Our flake ice machines can make ice automatically and also have ice full sensor if the ice is full. And 6, this ice machine can be installed on the land, island, or directly installed in an ice machine boat, fishing boat. All the materials are resistant to water treatment. Special stainless steel evaporator and special ice grade can ensure long-term efficient operation of the machine. The machine is compact and easy to operate. Ice-making drums can be installed together with the refrigeration system. Also can be installed separately. In the back of this catalog is about flake ice machine feature. Our flake ice machine has special design for ocean fishing boat to preserve and refrigerate aquatic products hot in time and minimize preservation of seafood and enhancing the sales price. And second, making soft flake ice harmless to fish scale, while keeping aquatic products not damaged and then good look. 6-power seawater ice machine overcomes the seawater corrosion and ship beach and road architecture and stable performance. 4, the system adopts full automatic control. No person is required for the operation. Labor cost is greatly saved. So you buy our machines, only need one person to operate the machine. When start the machine and turn off the machine. During the machine work, no need people operation the machine. 5, save and energy saving. It can be used its shipping power to put out ice in 3 to 5 minutes. Very saving energy.
Yes, I think so.
And last, this is model of our seawater flake ice machine. It including the capacity of ice making and refrigerant and operating power and installation power and operating weight and machine size. All information is basic information for the ice machine. If you have special requirements, you can tell me or my colleagues to make customize the machine for you. We are factory and we can make the machine suitable for your situation. For the last is the flake ice machine picture. It's all seawater flake ice machine. 1 ton, 2 ton, 5 ton, and 10 ton in the picture. And I just said that we also sell the flake ice evaporator. We sell from 1 ton to 10 ton or more evaporator. We already export many flake ice evaporator to Middle East country and like Africa countries like Egypt and Turkey and Australia. Many customers need this flake ice evaporator because it's good quality, and we export container by container. In the back of this catalog is the structure of the evaporator. Very clearly, including the reducer and top cover, observe cover, evaporator, ice grate, water connect, dish, detector, In the last picture, it is packing. It's polywood packed for the flake ice evaporator. Use this package when the delivery, the machine will keep safe.
Okay. Here I show you again our special discount for this live show. If your order amount is more than $5,000, you will get $100 off and gift. If your order is more than $20,000, you will get $500 off and gift. And if your order is more than $15,000, you will get $1,500 off and gift. And orders 100,000, $3,000 off and gift. Orders $200,000, $6,000 off and gift. So if your orders amount is bigger, you will get a bigger discount and get more gifts. And here is another discount. And click to follow us or get catalog. You will get 2% discount. And if you share our live show link, you will get 2% off again.
Okay, here I will introduce some feature of our flake ice evaporator. This one is for 8 tone to 10 tone. And 8 tone, 10 tone. This evaporator is exported to Egypt. This is delivery picture.
This is to which country?
To Egypt.
Okay.
This is small evaporator, 3 tone to 5 tone, exported to Turkey. It's a factory. This is delivery picture, packing picture. This is 10 tone flake ice evaporator. Different angle view.
It looks very nice.
Thank you. This is a small video. Next, I will introduce our cold room. This is our cold room brochure. So this is structure of cold room. This is control box, compressor unit, door, PU panel, air cooler, cooling unit in the cold room. And this is complete cold room. This is our finished project. Container cold room, solar container cold room. Our cold room are multi-species and multi-specification pens to meet your specification, needs, and choice. We can make temperature from 20 degree to minus 45 degree according to user requirements. And for the size, it can be customized. And for variety, colorful steel board and stainless steel board. And here is the sample of the PU panel. This is color steel on the surface, two sides color steel, and this is PU material. You can use the lock here to lock the panels one by one, like this, and use the polyurethane foam to fill the space. And after use the polyurethane foam, and you can use the silicone to fill the space, the balance space. Easy install and strengthen structure. We surprise different kind of the coral panel. Like 50 millimeters can work with 5 degrees coral. Here, you can see here information. And for the 75 millimeters coral panel can use the temperature above minus 5 degrees. And for the 100 millimeters coral panel can use above minus 25 degrees. And for the 150 millimeters coral panel can use in minus 35 degrees. And for the 200 millimeter coral panel can use about minus 45 degrees. And you can tell me what the coral using purpose. We will recommend the coral thickness to you. Like the fruit may be about 4 degrees. You can use the 50 millimeters if your environment is very cold. And normally you can choose the 75 millimeter coral for the 40 degree coral. And if you are in Africa or some Middle East, some hot air, you can try to use the 100 millimeters to make better insulation. And our cold room panel taking polyurethane with excellent insulation performance as core material. 100% polyurethane insulation panel. The density about 38 to 46 kilograms per cube, and colored steel sheet as external material. The sandwich type board can reduce heat condition due to difference between the internal and external temperature to achieve maximum efficiency of freezing and refrigeration system. It is scientific in design, simple and practical, and is a brand new heat insulation material that can economize construction cost. Selectable thickness, I just introduced to you. And the different temperature requires different thickness of panel. For the main part of Goro, you can see also see the second item, include the condensing unit. We normally use the Visa brand, corporate brand, and Denver's brand or other brand. And the air cooler, we also use the good brand in China. For the insulation panels, you can give more information, you can give your recommend. And also the cold room door and control box and the under frame or base plate and other accessories. We will use mostly use the international brand for you. Let's have a drink. Tokyo Ice Cola.
This is cool.
Very good in summertime. And I will show you some information of our cold room for you.
Okay. Here is the special discount for this live show. Click to follow us on Get Catalog. You will get 2% off. And if you share our live show link, you will get more 2% off. And here is the discount about the order. If your order amount is more than $5,000, you will get $100 off and gift. And orders more than $20,000, you will get $500 off and gifts. And orders more than $15,000, you will get $1,500 off and gift. And orders more than $100,000, you will get $3,000 off and gift. And if your orders amount is more than $200,000, you will get $6,000 off and gift. So if your orders amount is bigger, you will get a bigger discount and get more gifts.
Okay, this is our cold room picture. This is 2 by 2 by 2 meter cold room. This is cold room with the solar system. This is battery, this is inverter. Solar cold room.
How to choose the solar system?
If you want to choose solar system, solar cold room, you can firstly tell us what size of cold room do you need and what temperature cold room do you need. We can make a design for you about cold room. After we finish design of cold room, we can calculate the power consumption for the cold room. Then we can make a design for the solar system, the special design solar system for the cold room. If you have demand, you can send us inquiry. You can click the catalog to contact us. This is solar cold room. This is battery, and this is solar panel. This inverter. Battery, solar panel on the roof. This cold room. This is air-cooled condenser, including the compressor inside. This is our customer to test the machine with our engineer, this customer. Okay. Next, I will introduce our concrete cooling system. This is for the concrete cooling. This machine normally used in the dam and the bridge and the highway and some other buildings. Especially in the air, it's very hot air. As you know, the concrete has the expansion and contraction. If the weather is very hot, the concrete will expansion, and if the weather becomes colder and cool, the concrete may in contraction and the concrete will crack because of weather change. So we need to keep the concrete cool. So after make the concrete cool, the concrete will be stable when the temperature change. This is function of our machine, using purpose of our machine. There is 2 containers here. This project is for almond. In the upper container, there is a ice machine, and in the bottom, here is the cool room storage ice machine. After the ice finished, it will drop to the cold room. The cold room will storage ice and deliver ice to the mixture. The mixture is concrete inside. It's very clearly for the structure of the machine. It's an ice machine evaporator, refrigeration unit, container, ice duct, brake system, automatic brake ice storage, and screw ice delivery, reducing motor for lifting, delivering screw, and horizontal ice delivery, and outlet. This is complete system for the concrete cooling. This is our basic situation for the concrete cooling. The water ambient temperature is about 60 degrees, very hot. And for the wet bulb temperature is 30 degrees. And the water inlet temperature is 20 degrees. And ice outlet that temperature is -7 degrees. Refrigeration, we can use R22, R404, and R717.
What's the difference between them?
Okay, the R22 is more cheaper, but it is not environment friendly. But R404 is more environment friendly. Now we normally use R404 for our customer. R22 and R404 are both freon refrigerant. And for running time is 24 hours in our calculation, basic calculation. And this is our standard specification configuration. We use the new container with ISO standard, and we also can choose the second-hand container to make the ice plant. The container for second-hand will a little bit cheaper, and the ice maker with the ice tank and the water pump for the water flow to machine, and for piston or screw compressor, this pizza brand, and evaporator condenser for the make ice, and necessaries oil cooling and oil return system. And in the middle of the catalog is the specification for the ice plant, from the 15 ton to the 106 ton. You can see here the size is this here is for 15 ton is mix. Max can make a 20 feet container, and from the 20 tons capacity to 83 tons capacity can use the 40 feet high container, and if the capacity above 83 tons, you need to choose the 2 container to load the ice machine. These features of previous project for ice plant. This is inside picture. If you are interested in a concrete cooling system, you can send a message to us. We will send you more information. Send me email address and or WhatsApp number. We can also chat on Alibaba. For the next is the important part for water to cool. As you know, if the ambient temperature is very hot, the water temperature also very hot. So you need to cool water to make ice more efficient, or use the cool water pour in the mixer directly. And our water chiller is very high efficient. You can see here, this is first stage chilling. It can decrease the temperature from 45 degrees to the 36 degrees. This is first stage. It will save the energy. This process uses less energy. And second process will make the temperature from 36 degrees to 15 degrees. It is second process. In the third stage chilling, the water can chill from the 10 degrees to 4 degrees. We use the evaporative pressure to adjust the temperature. It's our new technology. And the fourth cooling stage is coil or plate evaporator with gas anti-freezing technology. Completely prevents itself from frozen, crack, constant evaporative pressure and adjustive controls evaporative temperature at -5 degrees, which can chill the water from 4 degrees to zero point 0.5 degree. 0.5 degree, very near to the 0 degree. This is our water chillers with more technology and 4 stage. If you want to know more, we can send you catalog. And this one is our catalog for the chiller systems. There is chiller system from 60 tons per day to 360 tons per day. Actually, in our real production, there is more models and more small difference for the water chiller. Because it's not enough space for right models for you. And also customers will choose machines in their situation. So many chillers need a special design for them. And you can see here is picture for the inside ice plant. This is a water chillers here. And this is the water chiller plant main configuration. The outside is 20 feet container. The inside they have good brand compressor, condenser, and the electrical component. The same as I introduced to you before. The next is the bottom container. This one is the cold room with the automatic ice storage. We have two kinds of ice storage cold room. The first one is the automatic ice rake and claw type, two type. You can see the picture here. This is inside the cold room, is ice bin. This claws to make ice not freeze. As you know, when ice drop from the flake ice evaporator, the ice will drop in one air, and the bottom ice on the floors will be forced the weight above them. So the bottom's ice will may freeze to very hot. We need a machine like claws or rake to make them not freeze together. If the ice freeze together, the machine will not easy to take the delivery the ice to the mixer to cool the concrete. So this part is also very important for ice plant. Here we have several models for choose. This is 7 tons. We can use a containerized, and this is 23 tons. It is biggest size for the containerized ice storage room. Above the 23 tons, we can use the combined type. It means that use the cold room to storage the ice directly, not use the container. Okay, the next picture you can see here. This one is the container, and this we paint the logo here. These two containers. This page is the crow type automatic ice storage. You can see many crows here, and the ice. I think this one is the two ice machines in the above container. You can see here is one ice, two ice. We can use the crow to make the ice not freeze together. We have several sizes for the ice storage. It's 40 tons, 50 tons, and 60 tons, and 80 tons, and 100 tons. You can select the size you need. And we also supply the size here, the length and width and height and the weight. We'll choose. And this one is our screw ice delivery device. It is for delivery the ice to the mixer. You can see here, this is screw device. This one is similar with the cube ice machine. I just introduced to you. Industrial type cube ice machine also have the screw delivery systems in its ice storage bin. And flake ice machines also use this to deliver ice to another place. You can see here. You can tell me how many ice to deliver and how far is the ice storage room and the mixer, so that we can give you recommend and price for the screw ice delivery device. You see picture, very long. And this is screw. And this is the size. This is delivery capacity, 12 ton, 40 ton, 16 ton, 20 ton, and 25 ton. And the screw diameters, 325, 325 is the same, 325. But because of the motor and the length of the screw delivery system different, the function is different. And this is the motor. Motor influences the speed of the screw work. And this is length of the device. And this is power supply for the motor. This is to useful specification. And last, we also have a gas delivery device. You can see our catalog. We have 6 to 45 tons delivery capacity. We'll choose. And you can contact us for more details. We can recommend you the best solution. And this is picture for the device. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to know more how it works, you can see this part. And the next is the screw weighing device. This is last part for the ice plant. After the ice delivery from the cold room, the ice will deliver to the screw ice weighing device. After weighing the ice, then the ice will drop to the mixer. As you know, we need to calculate how many ice to put in the mixer to cool the ice to the temperature. What do you need? This is so you need this device to the weighing the ice weight. We supply different model of the product, including the 200 kilogram to the 1,500 kilograms. It depends on how many ice you need, and also you can see the power consumption and the size of the weight. This is picture of weight. This is model and pictures like a mouth. The ice will drop from this mouth. When the weight enough, the mouth will open. It can be controlled by manual or automatic. This is our concrete cooling system. If you want to use, you have a concrete projector, big projector, you can consider to use this ice pump to make the project better.
What's the advantage of this project?
Okay, what advantage? We are specialized in ice machine and cold field for over 50 years, and we are professional in this field. And we have many projectors with our ice pump. So we are professional in it. And all our brand of the spare parts is very famous. The quality is also very good. And let me find some pictures.
Okay. Let me show you our discount for this live show. Click to follow us or get catalog, you will get 2% off. And if you share our live show link, you will get 2% off again. And here is the discount about the order. If your order's amount is more than $5,000, you will get $100 off and gift. And if your order is more than $20,000, you will get $5,000 off and gift. And orders more than $50,000, it's $1,500 off and gift. And if your order's amount is more than $100,000, you will get $3,000 off and gift. And orders more than $200,000, you will get $6,000 off and gift. So if your order's amount is bigger, you will get a bigger discounts and you will get more gifts.
Okay, please see the pictures. This is our concrete ice pump. This is finished project. This delivery picture.
This is to which country?
It shows how ice storage room work. And next, we will introduce our block ice machine. We have two kinds of block ice machines. This is dry type block ice machine, catalog, and this is direct cooling type block ice machine. And for the size of block ice machine, you can customize. For the bright type block ice machines, we use bright water to as the meter of freezing ice. And for the direct cooling type block ice machine, we use aluminum plate as meter of freezing ice. You can see here the ice size 5 kilograms to the 100 kilograms. You can also give me your size you need. Then we will make the design for how long to produce this ice. And also we can make the transparent ice like this one. Transparent ice normally used for the sculpture and for the drink. And we have many customers use this ice. You can also send us inquiry for this ice. In our catalog, it will show how the machine works. This one is for the brine water type block ice machine, and this one is for direct cooling block ice machine. This part is how brine type or direct cooling type block ice machine work. It's very clear description here. You can send us message to get this e-catalog for more details. For the size of the block ice machine, we can make from 1 ton to this one is 30 ton per day, and 20 ton per day is for the direct cooling. This is container type, and for 30 tons direct cooling type. Actually, we can make 100 tons or more, because we can use one compressor with different evaporator, and but I think you can buy several machines to meet the production capacity. You can if you want to production capacity for 90 ton, you can choose the 30 ton 3 sets. It's more convenient for installation and delivery. As for the special design, we have one type of the container type block ice machine. Here is the picture. You can see here. This is specification for the bright type block ice machine. It can make the 3-ton to 20-ton. Normally, for 20-feet container, it can make the biggest bright type ice machine is 5-ton. 5-ton is the biggest capacity to load in 20-feet container. And for the 40-feet container, we can make around 10-ton block ice machines or a little bigger. But the block size should be designed by our CSC Power because the container size is fixed, so there's not big space for special design for you. And this is all information about our block ice machine. You can send us message by click the catalog and send us message. We can send you all our e-catalog for our all product to you. And I will also select some pictures for you about our block ice machine. Just wait a moment.
Okay. Now let me show you again our live show discount. This discount is for the order. If your order's amount is more than $5,000, you will get $100 off and gift. And if your order is more than $20,000, you will get $500 off and gift. And orders more than $15,000, $1,500 off and gift. And orders more than $100,000, you will get $3,000 off and gift. And if your orders is more than $200,000, you will get $6,000 off and gift. So in a word, if your orders amount is bigger, you will get a bigger discount and get more gift. And here is another discount. If you click to follow us and get our catalog, you will get 2% discount. And if you share the live show link, you will get more 2% discount.
This is our 18-ton block ice machine, which is exported to the Africa. This is R22. It's 18 tons block ice machines are looking. It's testing. This is pressure meter. It's expansion wave. Covers ice timer. Evaporator. This is ampere current. Ice block finished. This ice block finished. This is our transparent ice block machine. Transparent block ice. This is one-tone bright raw ice machine. Ice block. Okay, today's lab show is almost finished. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and interest about our product, you can send us inquiry and information. We can send you all our e-catalog and other information about quotations and other technical information or recommend for cold room or ice machine, generators, or solar systems. Feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you. See you next time.